YouTube in 2025. Your time is now. Starting a YouTube channel in 2025 is still a big deal. Why? Because video content is exploding. Everyone's watching, and that means huge opportunities. Whether you're passionate about cooking, gaming, or teaching the world about ancient history, there's an audience waiting, but you got to be smart, you got to hustle, and you got to bring the energy. This ain't some get-rich-quick scheme, all right? It's about creating awesome content, connecting with people, and building a real community. Are you ready to crush it on YouTube? Let's go! Launching your channel. A step-by-step guide. First things first, you need a YouTube channel. Don't worry, it's easy. Step 1, sign into YouTube with your Google account. Don't have one? Create one. It's simple. Step 2, look for the Create button. It looks like a video camera. And click it, then choose Create a Channel. Step 3, you'll need to choose a name for your channel. Make it catchy, memorable, and related to your content. Don't overthink it. Step 4, time to customize. Add a cool profile picture and some eye-catching channel art. Make it scream, you! Step 5, write a killer channel description that tells people what you're all about. Keep it short, sweet, and engaging. Content is king, crafting videos that shine. Now for the fun part, making videos. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? That's your content, baby. But here's the secret sauce. Quality matters. Shoot in good lighting, use decent equipment, and edit like a pro, or at least learn the basics. Keep your videos concise and engaging. No one wants to watch a boring, rambling mess. Get to the point, keep it entertaining, and leave them wanting more. And don't forget about sound. Good audio is crucial. Use a decent microphone and make sure your audio is clear and easy to listen to. Finding your tribe. Growing your audience. You've got awesome videos. Now you need viewers. How do you find them? By being smart and strategic. First, optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Think about what people are searching for and make it easy for them to find you. Promote your videos on other social media platforms. Share them on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everywhere. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. Cross-promote each other's channels and reach a wider audience. Most importantly, be consistent. Upload regularly so your viewers have something to look forward to. Section 5, Making Money Moves, Monetization Strategies. Once you've built a decent following, it's time to monetize that hustle. One way is through ads. You know those things that play before, during, or after your videos? YouTube shares a portion of the ad revenue with you. Another option is sponsorships. Team up with brands that align with your channel and get paid to promote their products or services. You can also sell your own merchandise. Got a loyal following? Create branded t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, whatever. And don't forget about affiliate marketing. Recommend products or services you love and earn a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate links. Section 6. The future of YouTube, riding the trends. YouTube is constantly evolving. To stay ahead of the game, you've got to keep your finger on the pulse of the latest trends. Short-form video content is huge right now, and it's only going to get bigger. Think TikTok-style videos, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Jump on that bandwagon. Live streaming is also becoming increasingly popular. Interact with your viewers in real time, answer their questions, and give them a behind-the-scenes look at your world. And don't underestimate the power of virtual reality and augmented reality. These technologies are changing the way we consume content, and they're only going to become more prevalent in the coming years. Section 7. Staying ahead of the game, content creation tips. Want to create content that truly stands out? Here are a few tips. 1. Be authentic. Let your personality shine through. People connect with authenticity. 2. Tell stories. Everyone loves a good story. Use storytelling to make your videos more engaging and relatable. 3. Experiment with different video formats. Don't be afraid to try new things like vlogs, tutorials, reviews, sketches, or whatever tickles your fancy. And 4, get feedback from your viewers. Ask for their opinions, suggestions, and ideas. They'll appreciate being heard, and it'll help you create even better content. Section 8. Engaging your viewers. Building a community. Building a strong community around your channel is crucial for long-term success. Respond to comments and messages, even if it takes time. Show your viewers that you care about what they have to say. Run contests and giveaways to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Create a sense of belonging by fostering a positive and supportive community where everyone feels welcome. Remember, it's not just about the views, it's about the people. Connect with your audience on a personal level and build relationships that go beyond the screen. Section 9, conclusion, lights, camera, action. Starting a successful YouTube channel takes effort, consistency, and a whole lot of passion, but trust me, it's worth it. Embrace the challenge, create awesome content, and connect with your audience. The world is waiting to hear what you have to say. Now go out there and crush it.